Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Update on EOS, we started watching for that potential bigger pullback. Looks like we're getting it now. We may actually get the 4-hour rotation zone against us, could not catch on it and rotate back up. Paused at the 25% retracement, you see close there. Low here, key close there, now plummeting through there. Not really plummeting, just sort of falling. Here's our next levels down, 1639, which is going to be very key. I'll show you why on the daily. Also, we have the rising 50 and the 8 on the daily, so pay attention to 1639 if we break through to 1712. And then the next area down below that is 1565 to 1584. If we do rally, there's going to be some overhead resistance at these moving averages and at this prior peak. So anywhere between 1840 and 1897. If we get back above there, I'd be watching for a return to about the 2139, and the upside levels stay the same as in our last video. So here we go. You see the 8 rising in at that level. So we're finally returning to the rotation zone on the daily, which we did talk about. So at some point, expect that bigger correction. I think even in the last video, I mentioned that on EOS. If we do not hold there and do not hold the 37.5, then we'll be watching for a return to the 1345 area with the rising 21. So that's what we're looking at in EOS. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum has tried to catch on the rotation zone a couple times, not been able to push higher to the last levels we talked about, holding right now to 12.5% retracement. If we do fall through there, watch for support coming in at 652. Then if we break through there, we'll switch over to the daily. This also, like in the Bitcoin video we just posted, has a potential double top. There's a number of them appearing, so pay attention to that. Actually look at the daily now. So really, we have key support on the daily between 643 and about 654. If we break through there, we'll be watching for a return to the lower end of the rotation zone, which is also the base for this potential double top, which comes in about 596, but I'm going to call it 600. If we get a close or an extended move below 596, though, we've triggered the double top, and the levels are 538. We have a cluster actually 535 to 538. The 535 very key level, 50% level from this run up. If you drop below there, 509, then 480. Again, those are levels to watch for potential reversal patterns. Or if you're a person who's able to short, that's where you go short and start covering things there. If you haven't taken any off the table, or at least moves up your stops, now would be a really good time to know where you're going to stop out or take profits off, and then where you're going to potentially get back in lower if we have reversal patterns. So I'm pointing this out ahead of time so you can be prepared and know how to manage your trades. We will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.